Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I am just sitting on the floor pricing stuff, and Margot's making it extremely difficult. Aren't you? She has decided if I'm going to be on the floor, we're going to play. And when I don't play with her, she chews things up. So she's acting like a child because she is one. You are a child. You're acting like a child. You're naughty. I've gotten 3 things wrapped and priced all morning. I've been awake since 6 o'clock. She woke me up at 6. She actually woke me up at 5:30. You want to be on my lap or up my butt, and it's been next to impossible to get anything done. No, you don't understand. This is my whole day is going to be trying to pack with this dog. My family's going to the lake, and I'm going to be home with the dog all weekend. Can you not bite me, though? I didn't do nothing to be bit. Just take your toy and chew on that. So if I don't hold her and play with her, she's acting up. I may have to put her in a kennel to get some work done. Don't chew the bag. Don't chew the bag. Chew the bubble wrap, chew the inventory, chew the boxes, chew the tissues, chew. Play with me or I'm going to destroy everything. That's the attitude she's got right now. The pile for Junk Bonanza is getting exponentially larger. You can't go, no, that's all inventory. There's nothing over there for you. Get up. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. She'll wear herself out eventually and need a nap, right? This is the work. This is the work part of my job. So painting, shopping, you know, hunting treasures, digging stuff out of the dirt sometimes. That's fun for me. I love that part. This part, getting ready for shows, pricing, packing, that's the work for me. And I don't love it, but it's part of the job, so we gotta do it. But it's the work part. Can you not? Margot. All right, I think she's finally settled down. I can start packing again. A while back, I picked up these gingham trays. I had a set of red and a set of blue, and I picked up this lace that's not particularly vintage at a garage sale for 50 cents a spool. And what I'm going to do is wrap all 4 trays together so that I can sell them as a set for about 15 bucks a set. And this is just how I wrapped them up. So that's what I do when I want to keep things as a set, is I'll find a piece of ribbon or lace or just some jute and tie it up. But with these, I had this stretchy lace, so I'm going to use it. I'm taking a break. For you guys, it was just a second ago that I had kind of started my day, but it's almost 4 o'clock now, and I've been sitting on the floor all day. My back is just killing me. So I ordered a pizza. My family went to the lake, and I thought, I'm going to make dinner, and I thought, I don't want to make dinner. I just want to keep working and watch a movie and eat pizza. So I'm going to watch The 300 and eat pizza tonight. The beast finally went to sleep. Check this out. Look at her now. Lazy butt dog. Now she's tired. She's tired now because my back hurts too bad for me to be sitting on the floor, and she doesn't think it's time to play anymore. after I have some food. I haven't eaten today. I was sitting there thinking, I had breakfast. That's what I've eaten. I had a mini bagel. A mini bagel for breakfast. And lots of coffee. And then I was realizing I haven't eaten anything else today. So I need to stop working, get some food in me. That's why I'm ordering a pizza so early. I mean, it's probably going to be here in no time because it's not like it's dinner rush at 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm hungry now. And I ordered a medium, so there'll be plenty if I get hungry later, but I've just run out of energy. And I can't take any painkillers till I get some food in my stomach. I do have a cushion that I sit on the floor. It's a gel memory foam cushion, but it's still hard to sit on the floor. Getting too old to do that, and I don't know what the alternative's going to be for me because I can't think of another way to spread everything out. And so I've just been washing, pricing, and packing, and I'm almost done with the stuff that was in the dining room. And once that's done, there's not a whole lot in the garage. So everything in the garage has pretty much been taken care of, and that means it'll be time to load the van, I think. And that's if I don't find anything else that I go, oh, wait. Now I'm gonna just wait for my pizza and watch TV. But until then, and then later I'll do more. All right, so this is it. This is the last of everything that was in the dining room that needs to be priced, cleaned, and packed. I'm almost there. I kind of get a little excited at the same time overwhelmed. It's not much, not much. All right, I took an 1.5 hour break, which is a bit of a misnomer because, Margot. Ah! Margot! We're leaving the bloopers in. Calm down, Margot. She leans on me. Come here. All right, so it's a bit of a misnomer that it was an 1.5 hour break because I did eat my dinner in that 1.5 hours, but I also did the dishes, cleaned the cat box, let the dog out, fed the dog, got everything prepped for the next round, brought everything out of the dining room. So it wasn't really a break, like you think of a break. More like a working break, just not doing this. So it was a break, but not a break from this, not a break. Like I wasn't sitting there doing nothing for an 1.5 hours. God, that'd be nice. I'm so close to being done. Margot. Margot! You can't have my water. You need to find a place to be that's not on me. Okay. All right. Thank you. I need a break, like the 1.5 hour break where I'm doing nothing. That'd be nice, right? Wouldn't that be nice? But I'm ready to dive back in, start swimming through my junk, maybe do backstroke in it. I don't know. I got to do something. I got to get it done. But I'm so close to actually being able to just sort of sit back and go, all right, go through the garage, pull the stuff out of there, and evaluate out there if there's anything I've forgotten, which I think there is, and I'll tell you why. This is why. I have a whole bag of these. I have one in here. So I know there's a whole bag of them out there. Each of them has a quarter price tag on it and has not been cleaned. This one has been cleaned and its price tag has been removed. They came with these, if you remember correctly, around the same time, the little plate holders. I need to find the rest of these. So they're out in the garage somewhere. There's a bag of these. That's the least of things that I know that is out there. She's moving the camera. Now she's moving the camera. Now she thinks you guys shouldn't be there. Oh, okay. Where do you want to put them? Yeah, my day planner, the book I'm reading, the notes that I'm taking, all that stuff is behind me. You guess this room is a hot mess and my husband is furious. So my husband is the only person who can walk through this room. Everybody else can walk through this room and not trip over anything. Right now he couldn't. Even I struggle right now because I filled in when he left. Because I'm like, I want it all out here so that I don't have to keep getting up. I can just sit and work. And he's the only person who every single time he walks in here, he manages to like make a big crashing noise. And I'm like, really? Can you look at your feet? Margot, what is going on? Why not? Margot. Naughty girl. Okay. No, Margot. Do not chew anything. She's been chewing stuff. Margot. No. Margot, no. Don't put it on my lap. I don't want the ball. She's been intentionally naughty to my junk. Stop it. Stop, you're making me goofy now. To my stuff. So she's been intentionally going after my stuff because I'm paying too much attention to it and not her. So she's being a little bit of a poop. No, that one's not yours. No. No. I have a vintage baseball over here. She's eyeing up. No. Don't put it in the box. No. Margot. She's just not having it today. She's like, I'm going to put it in the box if you're going to keep paying attention to the box. I'm being a bad puppy, Mom, but I got to get the work done, Margot. What if I say no? What are you going to do? Because she's a teenager. She's getting bad attention, but she's getting exactly what she wants, which is just attention. It's like raising another child. Margot, get out of there. God, you're cute. Oh! Look at the face! This is so hard to be mad at her. She's biting my hand. No, not my hand. You're so cute. Where's she going? Where are you going? Right in the box. No! All right, I got another few boxes packed away. This is it. This is all that's left. So there's some in that, some in there, and some in there. And that's it, guys. I'm almost there, despite Margot's best efforts. You were naughty today. So, all right, you guys. See you tomorrow. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.